How to fix unable to connect to your DHCP server error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix unable to connect to your DHCP servers. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll simply need to restart your drivers. So head over to your control panel, and after you're there, simply search for device manager and open it up. After you open it up, you should find your Wi-Fi drivers. So search for your Wi-Fi drivers. You can simply search for it right around here. You'll see your network adapters. Expand on that and you should find your wireless adapters. So you will see this. Head over to advanced, or you can simply head over to drivers. Uninstall your drivers, and after you do that, restart your computer. And after you restart your computer, your new drivers will get installed automatically. And after you do that, your problem should get fixed. After you do that, even after that, if it does not get fixed, simply search for services in your Windows. And after you search for services, search for DHCP client. So you'll find it right around here. And after you find it, double tap on it to open it, and under startup type, make sure that it is automatic. After you do that, tap on apply and then tap on OK. After doing that, you will simply need to restart this service. So tap on restart, and after you do that, if it does not work, simply restart your Windows device and the problem should get fixed. And that is how you fix your DHCP servers not working in your Windows device, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.